So we're, what, 10 minutes outside Beaune, in this little village,
which has a
chateau of its own.
Yes, it's a wine-growing village, very famous here. There is a castle, there's a large collection of cars and motorbikes.
Aeroplanes and models.
Yes, aeroplanes.
Yes. After we've seen around the property.
Okay. Yes, it's a very nice place.
What are we going to see, Claire? How many square meters are we seeing?
We are going to see a 130 square meter house with 3 bedrooms.
And what's the price of the
The price of the house is 315 euros.
Okay.
Let's have a look.
Yes.
Excited to see.
Here you have the main living room,
Yeah.
the semi-open plan kitchen.
That's really nice.
Yes.
With the glass. It's got the very restaurant
Industrial style. Yes.
No, you can see a kitchen like this. You want a kitchen.
You want to cook? Yes, of course.
So what in terms of equipment then?
Yes,
You
you have
one a microwave.
you have a normal oven and microwave. Just near the kitchen, you have the laundry. So with a machine connections.
Okay.
And is this where you can come in from?
Yes, from the outside. You have 2 windows, west facing, and no neighbor just in front of the the windows.
Where does the sun? Which way does the sun?
The sun is here. The south is here.
Right.
West and east.
Okay.
So here after noon.
Afternoon.
Yes. You have sun.
Okay.
So it's quite bright.
Good size.
The second bedroom, a good size too, and a window west facing.
Yep.
Yeah.
So if you want to have more light, you can just paint the wall, maybe in another color, more bright, more with a double vanity unit, a bath tube, and a window.
Okay.
Yeah. So here we have a bedroom here, and
the other bedroom is house. They come.
yes,
Because technically,
yes,
walk in. Yeah, I like that too.
Oh, it's really nice. It's big. The multi-level, like I saw the pictures too before, so I had a sense, but to kind of walk up the stairs and see everything, it's a great place. One thing I think might need a car here. I think that's living a little bit outside the city, so that would be the only thing I would probably have to think about. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt this video, but if you're thinking about moving to France, but this is going to be quite a few years away from now, but you'd just like to find out where the perfect spot for you guys is in France, well, you can use our Region Matcher service. This is going to be the perfect service for you. You're going to give us all of your information on what your hobbies are, what kind of weather you like, what kind of activities you want to do. And our experts are going to match you with the 3 top regions and create a specific digital map so that you can review this and also have a call with myself for 45 minutes to discuss the region that we've matched you with and the reason why potentially this would work for you. So without any further ado, go in the description box or use the QR code to purchase your Region Matcher service.
No, everywhere that we've been has really been cozy.
yes.
Warm. So I know it's cold outside, but it's always been a question of course, hasn't it?
What the energy rating and average cost per year for?
In this house, it's pretty high because they just had a baby. So, but normally it's around 1,050, 100.
Okay.
500, sorry.
1,500, yeah.
Yes, 1,500 is pretty normal. You have a beautiful vaulted cellar.
Okay.
Fantastic for the wine collection.
Yes, in Burgundy, it's very important.
Yeah.
If you love wine,
Yeah,
so you
yes,
can keep your wine here.
So this is our first leaving the property. We did not steal these wines.
Yeah.
Please confirm that. These were given to us.
Yes, yes. I confirm.